Dimple key duplication. We'll make a copy via OMX TANK CNC key cutting machine. First of all, click Universal Key Duplication. And then look for the dimple key. Store the key blank. Click Continue, and then the probe will measure the key size. Confirm and click Cut. Dimple key needs 2 cans of cutter. Cutter W. Every step depending on get picture. Ready? Click Cut. To finish cutting, please change the other cutter. Select the cutter U. Please follow the same way and finish the installation. If it's ready, click Cut. Please compare the original key and try to turn on the lock. Perfect cutting. It looks nice.